Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made ekwang. So guys, I'm going to be using this smoked peel fish. I'm going to be using some turkey. I bought this for $4.50. I have 2 packs of this and 1 of this, and I bought 5 of this, the turnip leaves. And I'm gonna be using some of this hot habanero peppers, and of course some tomatoes. Then I bought some ground beef that we're gonna be using for our dish. Some loves, this is how this cocoa yam looks before it's peeled. It's called Coco. So when I go to the store, ask for Coco, and I already did that off camera. I'm just going to be grating like everything. Now I'm just preparing my marinade. That's ginger, garlic, and habanero pepper. And I'm just going to be using some palm oil to like grease my pot. My cousin is helping me out to tie, so make sure you tie from the back of the leaf and just put the best quantity that you think it's enough for the leaf and just wrap it up nicely and tight. We started doing some before I forgot I was recording, so we're gonna be showing you guys again. Make sure you're doing it from the back of the leaf, and I repeat again, make sure it is tight and firm so it doesn't like untie itself when it's cooking. A few more and I'm gonna continue off camera. This is how it looks. I'm just going to be adding country onion. I don't know how to say country onion in English, but I just know it as country onion. Some green onions. Tomatoes. Onions. And of course, my habanero pepper. Remember, mix that with ginger and garlic. And now I'm going to be adding some beef. Smoked turkey in ekwang is bomb. Like, you guys need to try it out. It's literally like the gold. This is how it looks. I continued everything off camera. I added some dry fish too, and now I'm going to be pouring like 4 to 5 cups of hot water. The reason we're putting hot water in this pot before any other thing, it's because we want the cocoa yams and the leaves to bond together. They shouldn't like spread out once you start cooking it. So this will help the cocoa yams like bind together. And now after that, it's been boiling for like 10 minutes. I'm just going to be looking at it and adding some oil. The amount of oil you add is up to you. I love a ton of oil in my food, so I'm going to put a ton of oil in this ekwang. Closing everything again. I'm going to be letting this cook. And before that, I'm just going to be moving it from side to side. And be careful, my loves, not to hurt yourself. So loves, gently use a wooden spoon to like move the sides of the pot and like just shake it a little bit. Be gentle with it so you don't break your ekwang. I'm going to be adding some crayfish, salt, and 4 cubes of Maggi. After this, I'm going to be closing my pot and I will let it cook for a whole hour. Like, I let my food cook for that long because I don't want it itching me when I'm eating it. So this is it. And after that, this is the final step, and it tasted amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys.